Find the LCM of 5ab square and 3a square b. So these are the options. Solution. So the simplest way to find it, we use the tabular method. Five ab square 3a square b. Okay, so let's start with numbers. Start with the lowest number. So we'll start with 3. 5 divided by 3, it cannot, so we'll drop this 5. We'll drop our a and we'll drop our b square. 3 divided by 3 is what? 1. So definitely we'll drop a square with our what? A b. So take the next number. The one we can use here again is what? 5. 5 cancel this 5. We have 1, drop a and drop b square. That 1 in mathematics we don't what? Write it, okay? Because it's what? Kind of insignificant. So normally we're supposed to write 1 here, but we don't need to write it, okay? Take note. 5 into this, you cannot. A square b. Okay, so now you check again. The next number you're going to use, please always arrange what? Alphabetical. Okay, alphabetical what? Order. Okay, so the next one you use is what? A. A cancel a. What is left is what? 1. So you drop this of b square. A cancel this a square. We have only just remaining 1a. So you drop the a and you drop your what? B. So what you do again? If you notice very well, we can still use a again because there's still a here. Okay, so let's go. A. Can a cancel this? No. You drop this b square down. Can a cancel this a here? Yes. So a cancel the a, remaining 1. So we drop b. You go to the next one. Now no more a, so we can use what? B conveniently. Okay, let's go. B. B cancel this b. Drop one of the b. B cancel b. 1. Okay, so we're progressing. So the next one we can use here again is still what? B. B cancel b. 1. Can b cancel this one? No. You drop this what? 1. Okay, so looking at it, when you get to this stage, at this point, you write down LCM is equal to 3 times 5 times A times A times B times B. Okay, so let's go. 3 times 5 is 15. A times A will give us what? A square. Why? Because this A is appearing what? 2 times. Making to be what? Having a power of what? 2. A square. Likewise is B times B will have B square. And you go back to your option. And the answer is what? Option B. So making B to be the answer. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. And thank you very much for listening. I still remain teacher Patrick. See you next time again. Bye bye.